Okay guys, so for my fall lovers, Cracker Barrel has stuff for us too. Okay, now I'm giving you the overview. That sign with the pumpkins is beautiful. That big sign that says welcome. But what I like about Cracker Barrel, you guys, you can always find something unique. Like that little water fountain. So adorable. My owl lovers. This cookie jar was too cute, $29.99. They had salt and pepper shakers. They also had a little teapot that was an owl, and I just adored it. Now, what you see me looking at right there, that acorn, I really like that. I think we've seen that at another store before, but it was really nice. You could put keys, you could put little trinkets, things like that in there. They had this big, beautiful, I was going to say sign, but picture. And was that little guy not cute with the little squirrel? That was a salt and pepper shaker set. Obviously, their theme was like woodland items. They had the green truck with the owl again, and of course, pumpkins in the back. Power of prayer. I think that was like a daily devotional. And of course, they had some little mugs, travel mugs. This was too adorable. The cooked chicken, turkey. Now, I'm showing you these little bitty pumpkins. They were $1.99. Those are great for tier trays. And they had them in all different colors, but I'm tapping on that. That was really neat. That was $19.99, and it would looked like a big walnut. And then the squirrel was sitting on top. It was so cute. They had the little pumpkins with lights. They had signs. They had I can't think here. They had all kinds of stuff, as you guys can see me showing you these M&Ms, which were really neat. And they had pumpkins and leaves on them. There was all types of pumpkin flavored items. These pumpkin spice sticks. They had, of course, they had candy corn. They had maple cream cookies. They had the autumn coffee, so taste. And if you guys can see that big, beautiful sunflower, they had so much, and they were still bringing more out. So don't pass up. If you guys do have a Cracker Barrel in your neighborhood, stop in and check it out. Even if you're not a Halloween lover and you like the fall like I do, they may have something unique that, you're like, I need this in my life. They had this cute little set. It was soap and lotion. You see me trying to find the price, $14.99. The candy corn. Comment below who's a candy corn lover. I am. They had globes on this side, as well as like how they did this gnome. I'm sorry, I know I just stopped dead in my tracks, but he was very cute. He was only $9.99, and his little sunflower glowed. It lit up. They had this candy corn candles for $6.99. There was this beautiful sign. I love that truck with all the mums in the back. Now, here's a house that is for fall. So if you are not a Halloween lover, this house was just as cute as my haunted house, and it was $39.99. It lights up. It has little pumpkins on the porch, things like that. More snow globes. This big, beautiful platter that was a turkey. They had tablecloths. They had towels. They had, I mean, you name it, a little of everything. Now that sign, $12.99, I think that sign is just gorgeous, you guys. They had clothes. They had lotions. So this lotion, I was trying to see, they had the two different types. These signs were really cute. My family tree is full of nuts. In my family, that is very much true, right? If you love pumpkin spice, what is it? If you love, I keep turning it. Pumpkin spice, then yeah, I don't want to be right. If it's wrong, I just butchered that. So as I was getting ready to leave, this lady was bringing that little cute squirrel. He was adorable. But our next stop is Hobby Lobby. This is the day my husband and I were out. We went to the Wyandotte Fair. Then we stopped at the Christmas tree store, Hobby Lobby, and the Cracker Barrel. So we had just such a great day. I'm showing you some of the wonderful finds that I found. My store does not have everything out. As you saw, they have the bundles of the cute tier tray stuff. I'm sure you may have seen these in some of the other videos. I feel like I caught some items that maybe I didn't see in someone else's fall video from Hobby Lobby. Now, anybody that loves the copper and the brass for fall, they got you covered. Oops. As you see me fumble with the bowls, I left it in there because you guys know this is me. I make mistakes. I say things wrong a lot. So, yeah. But I know we've seen these before. Those are super cute. $5.99. Now, when I was in the store, I asked when the 40% was gonna start happening. And the guy's like, I don't know. Well, at that point, I think the very next day, it was going on 40% off online. And then that following Monday, it was going in the stores. But these little this collection right here that they had together was just beautiful. It was gorgeous with the birds and that cream colored. They had plates, cups. I wouldn't doubt if they have more bowls, things like that. This is the pumpkin I was talking about, you guys. I love that. I definitely want to pick that up. They had it in the two different colors, and I wanted to wait till 40% off. There was a lot of things that I saw, but I said, you know what, I'm going to wait. And of course, they have the adorable spoons for our tier trays, our coffee bars. This is part of that collection, that plaid, which was, I thought it was perfect. Not too bright, not too, but it had the browns, the orange for it. Now, here to me, these are dupes on the Ray Dunn mugs. Very nice set. I really like the one actually with the orange and the cream. So here's another cute little find I found, but $14.99. A little expensive. The cute rolling pins, if you don't want to make those, which you can, pretty easy. They have it done for you. $14.99 with the 40% off, and you get 4 of them. I think it's a great deal. I think those are going to go fast in the stores. So if you want something like that for your little tier trays, your decorative area, here I am going back to them because I just love this collection. I thought it was very pretty. I'm showing you the same thing over and over again. Apparently I really like this. But I did love those pumpkins. Those are something I'm going to order. Those were $12.99. I think it's great to just set out on a coffee table, on an end table. You can throw your keys in there. You could do whatever. You could put a little bit of like potpourri or something like that to smell good. Yeah. Then I happened to the wall of gnomes and scarecrows. I mean, I think most of us have seen these, but if you are wanting a scarecrow, you know Hobby Lobby has you covered. And the wall of pumpkins. So they have a little bit of every type of pumpkin you want. Now, they are going to be a little more expensive than other places, but with the 40% off, it is a better deal. Now, there was also another whole wall that you guys will see later in the video of all these different pumpkins. There were some that I felt were new this year that maybe we haven't seen in years past, or maybe I just missed out on them. Now, this one right here I thought was very pretty. It was actually very heavy, $29.99. I believe that was made out of solid wood, and that's why that was so expensive. If you like your tags for little canisters, if you're a Raydon lover, those would be cute to hang off your canisters for the fall season. I just was kind of going to overview some of these things I know we've already seen. They have, which I really love, that they're bringing out pillow covers. These are adorable, and who doesn't want one of those in each color, right? Now, for tier tray lovers, those are perfect. You could put a little flower in there. You can make your own little lattes, your fake lattes, things like that. I bought a clear one like that from the Dollar Tree, you guys, and made a lemonade. Now these risers, I really like these. This was another item that I kind of had on my list, like, do I want to come back? They had different sizes, I believe 2 different sizes. This one was $9.99. I'm really wanting you to see that. You see how close I brought it to the camera? And then there was, I think that was the same size, or that may have been larger. There was a larger and a smaller one. Now, Cornucopias, they had 2 different ones that you could fix. How many of you, comment below, growing up had a grandmother or someone in your family that had the Cornucopia and actually put the real gourds and things like that? Mine did. And that just brought me back. Like, I need to buy one of those and have that on my centerpiece this year. Because you don't see that anymore. My grandmother always had little gourds and some little corn on the cobs, like hanging out of her cornucopia every holiday. Not every holiday, but every year for the Thanksgiving season. And then, of course, they always have to bring back these little adorable birds. Everybody loves them. These were birds. I know I didn't get a very good picture of them, but they were very unique. You got a set of 2. These little glowing pumpkins were $6.99. Now, I thought they were going to be glass, but those were plastic. So I don't know if that's such a good deal. Then, of course, they had the glowing pumpkins. These are fun and definitely cutesy. If you have kids, I think they would love these. I think it would be very cute in a coffee bar area. And even if you don't have kids, if you like the fun and playful, I think those are adorable. They had these lanterns with the swag on it, which were really nice, that light up. I believe they were set on timers. That bunch of leaves, those were a tree. And I know you've seen our DIYers out there that have made those trees with Dollar Tree products. So, I'm on the hunt for a turkey, you guys, this year. He was cute, $5.99, but I haven't seen the right one yet. These little scarecrows were adorable. There was a lady and a guy. They were $14.99 though. They were definitely tier tray size, you guys. They were on the smaller side. But once again, you gotta go when they have all the sales on them. They had pilgrims, they had these cute trucks. I've seen that truck though, you guys, I believe at Dollar General for the fraction of the price. This was really cute. If you like the mason jar, they had an apple and a pumpkin one, and they were $5.99. Here's the other aisle of pumpkins. So my pumpkin lovers, this is your aisle. Like every type of pumpkin you can think of, they got you covered. You know, sometimes if you find something that's really worth it, I say invest in it. That way you'll keep it for many years. So they had the bags of pumpkins, that acorn I showed. I really like that. I like the idea of having acorns, not just pumpkins for the fall season. You can leave those out the whole time. I really enjoyed these pumpkins. Those were solid too. I believe those were made out of wood. They had 3 different colors in that one. And then as we're going through, you'll see all the fun colors. So if you're in, they literally have every color for each. Thank you for shopping with me, you guys, today for all our lovely fall finds. And make sure you give me the big thumbs up